how to clear system data on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and check what is taking the space. So tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the About This Mac option. Further, in the pop-up that appears, tap on the More Info option, and in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and navigate to the Storage tab and further tap on the System Data or System Storage option you see there. And in that particular interface, you will be able to see cache, logs, and backups. See if the data is cleared or not, and if not, then go ahead and open Finder and then press the command plus Shift plus G keys and go ahead and make a few changes there. You will need to delete cache files, you will need to clear system logs, and you will need to remove old iPhone backups. So once you have pressed command plus Shift plus G, firstly type in slash library slash cache and hit the enter button, and now delete everything inside. These are safe to remove. Next, you'll need to clear system logs. So in command plus shift plus G option again, go ahead and open the folder again and type in slash library slash logs and then delete the files inside. Next, you will be required to remove old iPhone backups. So type in slash library slash application support slash mobile sync slash backup and delete old device backups you don't need. Now go ahead and empty the trash by tapping on the trash icon on the bottom right of your screen and restart your Mac, and then check the storage again and you should see a smaller system data now. So this is how you can clear system data on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.